Hi, Tim Dodge here, and you're watching 2 Minutes with Tim. Got an email recently from a member in the Rochester area who's insured had their car in the shop. It was at the dealer's for some repairs, and the dealer loaned him one of their cars to use in the meantime. Not an uncommon thing. Well, while he had this car, he had it parked somewhere, and somebody hit it and took off, which caused extensive damage. And so they put in a claim with his insurance company, and the claim came back denied. The carrier denied coverage, saying that their coverage was only going to be excess over other collectible insurance, which in this case, of course, would be the dealer's insurance. And this was a problem because they thought that perhaps the client here had agreed to be responsible for anything that happened to that car. So the member emailed me to find out whether this was a legitimate denial or not. And unfortunately, this is one of those I've got bad news for you situations. I found a copy of the carrier's policy online. It was identical to, in this respect anyway, it was identical to what you find in the ISO personal auto policy. And it does indeed say that for physical damage to a non-owned auto, that the named insured's coverage is excess over any other collectible insurance, which again, in this case, is the dealer's insurance. This could be a problem if the dealer says you agreed to be responsible for this and we don't want to put in a claim with our insurance. It could also be a problem if the dealer collected under their insurance and their insurance company tried to subrogate about all that the named insured's insurance would cover as the dealer's deductible. So this is one of those dangerous quirks about the personal auto policy that you need to be aware of, because I'm sure some of you have customers who are using loaner cars. So I hope you found that interesting, if somewhat depressing. You've been watching 2 Minutes with Tim. Thanks for watching. I'm Tim Dodge.